Rated residential moving services in Rockville. Are you looking for high-quality residential moving services in Rockville, Maryland? Every move has to start with confidence and effectiveness. I hope your next residential move will be easy and secured with our excellent unique process. DMV Movers LLC, the most trusted and professional moving company in Rockville, Maryland. We have top-level residential moving knowledge that ensures your stress-free relocation as possible. So stop thinking, feel confident, take a deep breath, and let's get moving. This powerful confidence separates us from other residential moving companies.